Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are dyeing my hair again. My most recent video, which I will link here, I think, it faded pretty quickly. That purple washed out in like a hot second. Same with a bubblegum pink. And the hot pink root is still there, but like not really. So we're at this like faded, peachy, rose goldy situation. And this is a very like in-between stage for me. And I just look in the mirror or I take pictures and I don't think it looks the best on me personally. And that's okay. You might think differently. You might be like, Kirby, your hair looks great. And to me, it just looks very faded and kind of unfinished. So we're dyeing my hair again. We're not bleaching and we are not going to remove any color. We're going to try to just dye over it. We're going to use the Iro Rose Gold and the Iro Plum. And I have high hopes that the Plum will cover all of this situation. And I don't know about the Rose Gold, but I have high hopes that it will either enhance this color, like they look almost the exact same color, right? So I'm hoping that it will enhance the color and or it will give like a deeper finish to it. I don't know. We will see. I'm also struggling if I want to get bangs again. This is an ongoing struggle for anybody with longer hair who has had bangs in the past. I don't know. I thought I wanted bangs and then I really messily chopped some layers and some really bad dead hair off of my ends and my layers and like the crown of my head, and now it styles so it like looks so good, and now I just don't know. So we're also struggling with that. So my thoughts and visions for this look are that I want to do like a halo perimeter of the Plum and then have like the center crown of my head be the rose gold. I've never done this before. I have no clue if it's going to work. So please, please, please bear with me as I'm doing this. Yeah, that's just where we're at right now. So this is how I usually part my hair. So I think what we're going to do is go from here and we're going to part it up like so. That seems like a good, decent idea, right? So then all of this situation will be the Plum, and all of this situation will be the rose gold. Do we feel good about this? Do we not feel good about this? I think we feel good about it. I think I'm debating whether I should have more Plum on this side or just in general. No, I think this is good. I think maybe, I don't know. We're see. This is an experiment. I have no clue how this is going to look, how this is going to feel, how this is going to anything. So, with all of that being said, I'm going to clip these parts of my hair. And I think what we're going to do first is we are going to dye this rose gold part first. And then we will go in and do the Plum part, because I think that makes more sense in my head than to try to do the Plum and then like foil it off and not be able to see it. So I'm going to get my dye ready and put my gloves on, and we will be right back. So first I would like to make it very, very clear that I in no way think that the rose gold is going to cover up the pink. I want it to enhance the pink that is in my hair currently. I just want to, so in case you are using the rose gold or you're watching this video and you're like, oh, that rose gold didn't like show up, or it wasn't as like pigmented or concentrated. I am not working on bleached hair. I am not working on like freshly toned hair or color removed hair. I want the rose gold to like enhance and enrich what I already have on my hair. So what I did was as you saw prior to this application, I haloed out the sections that I don't want rose gold. I'm gonna do those plum. And then I took the crown of my head and I sectioned it out into 2 sections to make it a little bit more manageable. And now we're just going to go in and heavily saturate all of my hair so that it can be colored rose gold. Also, if you're new to dyeing hair with Kirby, know that I am just reckless and that I usually just take a lot of risks. It's probably not the most salon effective way of doing this or the cleanest way, but we usually get the job done, so bear with me. I put the foil down just to make sure that I can keep the hair a little bit separated. I don't care if the rose gold gets on where the plum's gonna be, because I think the plum is gonna be dark enough that it'll cover everything up. Now we're going in with plum on like the outer perimeter halo part. You guys might be wondering, like, why am I using rose gold and plum? Well, the plum online looked a lot more like berry, like more like pink hued, rather than like red or purple. However, now squirting it out into my bowl, it looks very purple. But yeah, we will see and we will just power through. That's okay. I think they'll complement each other really nicely. But I've never used the rose gold or the plum, so like I am flying blind here when it comes to figuring out what will and will not work. But yeah, I mean, it's just hair. I can always change it or I can dye it. Like, it's not a big deal. At least to me, it's not a big deal. I know to other people it might be different. And I'm working in very small sections because I want to try and make sure that I'm really precise. But also that I want every hair to be saturated as well. So, done. That was a little bit more complicated than I had anticipated it being, and I do not think that my parts are actually all that even. Well, you know what? It's not that bad. You guys, I am pleasantly surprised with myself. I got hair dye everywhere, as you can see. No big surprise there. I'm very excited about this. This is the first time that I've ever done like a halo type parting in my hair or sectioning in my hair, so I'm excited to see what it turns out to be. This is gonna be very, very fall. like with the rose gold and like this plum color, which it looks very purple in the thing bowl, but then on it looks very like berry, like I thought it was going to be. So I'm very excited about this. I think it's gonna look really, really great. I'm gonna go sit under my hood dryer for about 30-ish minutes. I'm not gonna put a cap or anything on this, or maybe I'll just put a cap on the top. I don't know. My head is already sweating and like the rose gold is melting. So I will see you guys freshly washed and styled in about 30-ish, 40-ish minutes. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. What do we think? I love it. That rose gold actually covered up a lot more than I thought it was going to do, but it did exactly what I wanted it to and just kind of like enhanced and like enriched the color that I had, which was that like peachy, pastel-y, pinky, faded vibe, but like this just kind of makes it like all one color, and it darkened it a little bit, so it has like a little bit of like, I don't know, it's like a brass tone to it, not a brass tone, but like a gold tone to it. And then I love the plum perimeter. They go so well together, and I love how they like melt at the hairline here. Let me see if I can show you the back. So this is what the back looks like, just that little peekaboo of color. I don't have that many layers in my hair because I just do my hair myself. But you guys, oh my gosh, I love it. I love this like halo perimeter parting for my hair. I might do it again with like other contrasting colors. It's a lot of fun. Let me know what you thought down in the comment section below. Do you approve this pre-fall hair? Let me know, let me know. I will link all of the products that I used down in the description box below, so if you are interested in any of these colors or this vibe, you can check them out on your own time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up, and as always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.